Hey, what's going on, everybody? I just want to make a quick video to help you guys out how to replace the cabin air filter on a Honda Insight. Let's get to it. So what you'll want to do is open up your glove box, and then you'll have a tab on each side here. You'll just want to push in to drop it out like that. Same thing over here. You have a little tab right here. You just want to push on the inside like this, and then it'll release, and then your cabin air filter will be right back here. You have two tabs on each side. What you'll want to do is pinch them on the inside like this, and then it'll release just like that. And then another one over here, try to get it to focus. Another tab right here, and then it'll release. You can see the little pinch tab right there on each side. Here's the old cabin air filter. Let's take a look at it. I just purchased this vehicle. Oh yeah, definitely needed it. Look at that. Dog hair, leaves, all types of stuff. We'll come here, grab our new cabin air filter. Airflow arrow needs to point down for us. Place it up in there just like that. Remember, airflow down, so the arrow down when you place it in there. It'll say it right here as well on the cover. Pinch it up in there like that. Then you can just lift the glove box up like that. Boom, done.